Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating any soft-deleted copy. This matters because Roblox often retains versions for a short time. Sign into Roblox Studio and immediately check File Recent and your account activity on the website. Once found, write down the place ID and timestamps. Next, open the Asset Manager and export any RBXL or XML backups you can access. Doing this preserves data before making changes, so you avoid overwriting recoverable content and buy time for deeper restoration steps. Once you have exports, create a new place in Studio and import RBXL or XML there. This isolates recovery and prevents accidental loss. Reassign models, meshes, and module scripts carefully. Broken references cause runtime errors, so relink module script paths and update script requires. Then confirm group ownership and place permissions. If the deleted copy belonged to a group, restore group roles and API keys. Make sure CDN asset URLs still resolve. If not, rootload and to finish, publish the recovered place as a new version and record the new place ID. This creates a safe live copy. Then run full playtests in both solo and server modes, monitoring the output window and server logs for errors, fix missing references, or API failures immediately. If assets remain missing after reimports, prepare a concise support message for Roblox. Include old and new place ID, timestamps, and exported files. This speeds help. Meanwhile, keep iterative backups to avoid repeat loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.